Pakistani University, Mr. Pakistan. And today I'll teach you what is inside this magnetron. So this is a microwave oven part, which is the main part, also known as the heat gun, which is used the microwave to cook or heat the food. This is a magnetron, which consists of a metal body with aluminum heat sinks and two magnets inside. Magnet and one laser beam like that, beam type. So this beam project 2.4 nanovolts, which frequency to the food or eat the food. So this is a magnetron. So this is based on metal body. Here we put a label, dangerous high voltage, because this was to microwave and too many components, like first fuse for input safety, EMI filter, and then transformer which step up the voltage to 20 volt AC to 3000 or 6000 volt AC, which rectify with high voltage, rectify diode, single wave, half wave, and then capacitor to smooth about 11 kV capacitor, 6 to 12 kV capacitor. Then also transformer put in AC voltage, 6 volt AC, which is high current or low, the high voltage that feeding these two terminals plus this body, high voltage ground is body, and high voltage positive plus the AC to AC terminals, which terminal high current terminal are provided there. It will contain inside a filament, which will eat up and ionize this gas inside the gas, which is ionized, and this will ionize, and then it gas term be conductive. I will flow the gas will glow in certain frequency, invisible light, and certain frequency, which frequency vibrate this there, and which then inject the light, the radiation, and to put the food or eat the food. This time this side is a beryllium, or side layer you can see this white, sometimes pink, or sometimes white. This beryllium outside. So never touch this, or if you touch then clean the hand, because if you inhale this it will kill you, because it is a very dangerous chemical. Never breathe this chemical part, beryllium oxide. Now open this already. Also this the magnetron open be not recommended by any person, but I will open it to see how it works. If you not any idea, never open the magnetron. Now open. We already made a little bend, so I easily put a launch screw and away from camera. It might be not shattered on my camera quickly. This time carefully, never to break this one. Beryllium oxide. If beryllium oxide is break, it will inhale and there cause lungs problem. Keep away face for this and try to open. It's open like that. Similarly this side also. So I not open that way. I just, it is a hard aluminum. We put a screwdriver to lift out. Now this is a ceramic washer with metal brass washer, which is the top on this beam, also known as electron gun, and we put out this magnet out first. Magnet will be locked by this metal lead, and if I pull this top lid, now we put this each fin out. If each fin are not joining, then easily lift out. I think we can put this side little bit bend. This time do carefully, because this is first I put this magnet side. These each feet are locked inside. This time you not know I will that way to out Right. Now I little bit see, look closely and see this will slipping out. This coupling, each thing are slipping out, but we need a quite a force. It's not easy. Also, not difficult. So difficult. So I bend it like this way. If something is brought, it will not fire my eyes or mouth. Although this time, I would say braid my screwdriver also. There's a chance to braid up my screwdriver also. Come out. This time this is not a variable. That's why I can dot that easily with repairing shop. It is a not working one. There are 4 of these. These plates are so tight. If I try to pull out, this entire tube is moving back and forth. Instead, it will let me out. And this tube is also made in a metal. If it is made plastic, it will break all that time because I applied too much force. Also, scratch them on my table. This is just a basic tube with 2 magnets inside, and this is metal filled tube, which is a gas tube inside neon running. So the 2 gas inside, and then it, yeah. Now put this time. I think this full mechanism is totally loose, I think, because it is totally vibrating. 2 rings are come off, 2 rings are come off. Now we remove out the magnetron. It will slip out this time. These are all fits them. Too much plate. This plate is so tight here. We can see this entire tube. Also, you can see my table. All the statues is up on my table because it is so stretchable. These are locked in place, so that's why take force to fall. Come it out. Also, there's magnet in this the screwdriver, so that's why it will overforce. Remove this one. Screwdriver here. Now we put upside. Put out. Now left one more, last one, this one, and after that it will come out this other unit. magnet there. This is one is little bit hard to remove this time because there's a magnet inside. It's all this. And this time I think it will come out entire unit also. So you can see there's a wires inside in this tube here. I have the beam side open in the underneath to bottom. This time I think it is come out entire unit. The magnet this to diver, so that's why it will here. It will go to the other side out. Here we can see there are two bonding wires there which are tied together. Cut this wire out. It is easy if it is that able, because there's a one is magnet there, other this wire is too thick, fit, don't touch that able. Because it looks like 1 mm metal bar. Inside two inductors we can see two copper wire inductors there, which is what as the EMI filters. Maybe you can see there are two coils, right, thick wire with copper wire with two coils, inductor inside which can basically connect these two terminals to here. And this time there's a high heating temperature, so there's no soldering, just pliers, joined by pliers. And there's a two ferrite cores. Pull out. After these one. Strike. Of course. It is quite hard to open, quite difficult to open this time because I open too much stuff and fast. It is quite so much hard to open. You will not have to scissors, you can just go by hand. Open. These are the tube and another green. Other thing, bottle. This one maybe do. It's not glue. It's tight. I think once pass total parts. We reckon with this in full magnetron. These are two magnets, very strong magnets. Let me show you. This is a very strong magnet. Two magnets. We are not, if you mind, we do magnets same poles together, it will not combine. It is too strong. So if I combine opposite pole, it will. You can see it is a strong magnets. Two pieces of strong magnets, two big washers, very heavy to it is not fit any nut. One this spacer, the metal garbage garbage pieces, 5, and this is a inside completely yellow, hollow, with 2 copper wires, ferrite core, which will be broken in opening procedure. There inside is totally empty, and this is also garbage, and this is a metal disc, brass disc, which is top on this main part of beam. Now question is, what is inside this beam? We can find out later, and this video is the next video. Pause.